You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to scrape URL from MS Word file using DOCX library package in Python. First I am showing you the Word file. This is the Word file stored in the same folder where our Python source code file is stored. Next we open the Word file. This is the Word file that has different type of URL like YouTube channels, blog addresses, email addresses and website addresses. We will scrape all these URL from Word file. Next, install all necessary packages. We are using Anaconda command prompt for installation. Here base is the default virtual environment. First, activate virtual environment. You can also create your own virtual environment in MS-DOS. Next, by using pip manager, we install DOCX library package. Second library package which we are using is pandas for creating Excel file. Here my environment is Anaconda. You can also use VS Code. Next we will start coding. My Python version is 3.7 and IDE name is Spider. In first line of program we will import document class from DOCX library. This program will check the relationship type in each line of document one by one. So in second line we import relationship type. Constant relationship type is represented as RT. In third line I import pandas as PD. Here PD is a label that represents pandas. In next line we open our MS Word file and create an object named document. Here we are not showing any path of our Word file because this Word file is stored in the same folder where Python source code file is stored. This folder is called a root folder. Next, scrape all the relationship types from the Word document and store in a Python list named rels. Next, I will create an empty Python list named list. Next, by using for loop, I read each relationship type one by one that are stored in rels list. If relationship type is hyperlink, then the targeted URL attached with hyperlink will be stored in our Python list. In this way, check all relationship types one by one and store the targeted URL that has hyperlink as a relationship type. Next, print the list and run the program. In output window, it is showing all the scraped URL and all these URL are stored in a list. Next, store all these URL in an Excel file. By using Python pandas, I convert this Python list into a data frame. The name of data frame is df. Next, convert this data frame into an Excel file by using to_excel function and pass some parameters. First parameter is name of Excel file with path. Here we are not showing any path, so Excel file will be stored in root folder where our source code file is also stored. Index and header parameters are set to false, so these will not be included in Excel file. At the end of the program, print the message that extraction completed. Next, run the program. In output window, it is showing message extraction completed, and it is also showing a new Excel file in root folder. So we open this file, and this Excel file has all the URL. If you like this program, then kindly subscribe our channel Computer Coding Class. Thank you.